Noeby Infinite Spinning Reel 14,000 20,000th Series. Heavy-duty sealed waterproof reel, max drag 30 kilograms, stainless steel gears, sea and offshore fishing. Take on the toughest marine challenges with confidence using the Noeby Infinite Spinning Reel, a powerhouse of precision, durability, and strength engineered for serious saltwater anglers. Available in the 14,000 and 20,000 series. This reel is purpose-built for heavy-duty sea fishing, delivering the control, power, and longevity demanded by both hobbyists and professionals alike. Designed with a fully machined, sealed waterproof metal body, reinforced by solid stainless steel gearing and a 6.5 mm heavy-duty main shaft, the Noeby Infinite is your ultimate companion for big game fishing, long casting, and rough sea conditions. Key features: fully machined and sealed waterproof body. Crafted from solid metal and engineered with a watertight seal, the body is corrosion-resistant and perfectly suited for saltwater and offshore fishing. Say goodbye to rust and gear failure from exposure to seawater and sand. Heavy-duty stainless steel gearing system. Main drive gear, pinion gear, and connection gear all made from stainless steel. Manganese bronze oscillation gear ensures smooth line lay and extended durability. Built to handle large fish under high tension without wearing down. Massive 6.5 mm solid main shaft. The oversized stainless main shaft is engineered to withstand immense tension and pressure, preventing bending or breaking under heavy loads, ideal for large pelagic species and bottom fishing. Max drag power. 30 kg. Equipped with a robust NTD drag system, this reel delivers up to 30 kilograms, 66 pounds, of stopping power, giving you the control to fight big fish confidently in tough conditions. Sealed waterproof drag system. Advanced multi-disc sealed drag system resists water intrusion and maintains consistent drag performance, even after repeated exposure to harsh saltwater environments. Long casting forged aluminum spool. The specially designed spool enhances casting distance and line management while ensuring minimal friction for effortless casts. Ideal for surf casting, jigging, or deep-sea drops. Anti-twist dual propulsion line roller. Reduces line twist and improves line lay, preventing tangles and extending the life of your braided or monofilament line. Heavy-duty bail arm. Rugged and responsive bail arm for smooth opening and closing, even in fast-paced fishing situations. Durable one-way clutch and multi-braking system. Instant anti-reverse and powerful braking keep you in control when it matters most, especially when fighting fast, aggressive predators. Ideal for saltwater game fishing. Big fish species, tuna, GT, amberjack, snapper, grouper, etc. Boat and offshore casting. Extreme weather conditions. Surf and shore-based long-distance casting. Jigging, trolling, bottom fishing, spinning. Why anglers choose the Noeby Infinite Reel. Built like a tank, performs like a race car. Unmatched durability in saltwater environments. Consistent, smooth drag under pressure. Long casting capability with anti-twist design. Handles big fish with confidence and control. Designed for anglers who demand no compromises. Product specifications. Model Noeby Infinite 14,000 20,000th Series. Body material fully machined metal, sealed, waterproof, gearing stainless steel, main, pinion, connection, oscillation gear manganese bronze. Main shaft 6.5 mm solid stainless steel. Max drag 30 kilograms, NTD sealed drag system, spool forged aluminum, long cast. Line roller dual propulsion, anti-twist. Bearings one-way clutch plus multi-bearing system. Bail wire heavy-duty stainless. Waterproofing yes, full body plus drag system. Target use saltwater, offshore, surf, deep sea fishing.